Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you are doing well.
Class 4, today we are going to revise chapter number 3, exercise question number 4, part B. As you all revised the exercise question number 4, part A in your previous lesson, so today you are going to revise part B, in which you are going to revise the concept of mouse. What is a mouse? Name two types of mouse. So answer of this question is on page number 19. Let's move to page number 19. Mouse. A mouse is also an input device that controls the cursor on your computer screen. As you all know that mouse is also an input device and it is used to control the cursor on your computer screens. So what is cursor? Cursor is that small little arrow which occurs automatically on your computer screen when you start your computer for operating on it. How mouse works? As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will see that the mouse pointer moves freely on the computer screen and allows us to select any option given on the screen. So dear students, as you move the mouse by your hand on the surface of mouse pad, so it also moves the movement of cursor on screen. So it allows you to select any option that is present or any icon that is present on your desktops easily. So you may select any option or any icon from your computer screen easily through mouse. So what is the structure of mouse? In this paragraph you are going to know the structure of mouse. The mouse has two buttons called as the left button and the right button, and both these buttons have their own functions. As you all know that mouse contains two buttons on it. The left button is known as left button and the right button is known as right button, and both these buttons have their own specified functions, so they have their own functionalities to perform through it. Sometimes a mouse also has a wheel in the middle of both the buttons. It is the older form of mouse which also contain wheel inside both of the buttons. So what is the function of that wheel? This wheel is used for scrolling the page. So through that wheel you may easily scroll down the page and scrolling up to the page. How many types of mouse are there? There are two types of mouse. First, mechanical mouse, one which has a ball inside it. It is the older form of mouse which contain ball inside it. And the second one is optical mouse, one which has a laser underneath it. So it contains a laser light inside it, or a laser lens through which they control the movement of cursor on the computer screen.